Welcome to Lots O Suds Laundromat. We are your neighborhood laundry stop in Clearwater, providing you with loads of clean. Experience a breath of fresh air with our immaculate and clean facility. We offer high-capacity modern stainless steel washers and dryers, a family-safe environment, and dedicated on-site parking for a stress-free arrival. Do your laundry on your schedule with 19 hours of daily access from 5 a.m. to 12 a.m. Visit us at 901 South Missouri Avenue, Clearwater, Florida, open 7 days a week. Tap, wash, relax. Go cashless by downloading the Laundry Boss app. Enjoy a seamless start by tapping to select and start your cycle instantly. Gain total control and track your wash and dry time without needing quarters. Start your weekend fresh with free Detergent Fridays. Visit Lots O Suds any Friday before 2 p.m. and your premium detergent is entirely on us. The Clearwater upgrade means saying goodbye to the old ways. We offer a 100% cashless experience, a bright and safe environment, extended operating hours, and free Detergent Fridays. We are more than just self-serve. If you're short on time, let our team handle the heavy lifting with our premium wash, dry, fold services. We are proudly community-focused, serving Clearwater residents with a reliable and friendly laundry solution. Ready for a better wash? Visit us at 901 South Missouri Avenue, Clearwater, Florida. Download the Laundry Boss app to skip the coins today. Lots O Suds is fresh, fast, friendly,